this little thing I've been working on. It's basically a light detector is what it is. I make this out of a smoke detector. Now what you do is, I can't really show you how to make it step by step because this is the last of the stuff I had, which is only made one. What you do is, there's that little black case on the smoke detector circuit board. You have to open it up, obviously. Take that off. Be careful. Will be 2 metal plates. Take off the first plate. Take off the second plate. And the second plate, there will be a little thing under it, and that'll be coated in aluminum steel. And that contains about 1/5000th of a gram of americium-241, which is radioactive. So be careful with that. It's not lethal, mostly, and if you're within just a couple centimeters, then you'll be affected. But if you're outside just a few centimeters, then you're safe. It's stopped by paper, so it's not bad. It's just alpha radiation. Only 0.6 to 0.8 rads. Anyways, back on track. So you take that off. You'll have this microchip under here. We can just ignore that for now. Now, you'll have 2 contact terminals for the battery. Make sure you wire that up right. You'll have 1 wire from the negative terminal. Well, that goes to the you're probably going to want to put one of these things on here to attach the battery to. At the negative terminal, go up, and that goes to, obviously, here. This then you have your positive terminal. That goes to a switch here, and then that switch goes to this photoresistor. You want the kind of photoresistor that lowers its resistance when light is applied, and not the other way around. Now, when you do that, you can put it together any way you want. You know, put this anywhere you want. But you'll have this little device, basically. You press this switch, and you'll have actually 2 meters on here. 1 meter is the LED meter right here. Press it, and in low light, it'll light up. So it's lighting up at the moment. Here we go. So you can see there, a little bit of light. That means there's low light. After a certain point, however, the light will become higher, and then you'll hear a whistle. The brighter the light, the brighter the louder the whistle. Obviously, from here, you cannot hear it very well. So I'm going to go up a little closer. And you can see it's much brighter, much louder. Now, the closer you get to the brightest point, the sharper the sound is going to be. That's how you can use this thing to detect you can use this basically to aim and detect the brightest point of any object. That includes TV screens, computer screens, walls, lights. If you really want to, I suppose, you could take a laser and use that to figure out where the thing is, so you don't have to just keep going up to the thing and point like I did. You could just point it, take a laser. Now, there are different kinds of sounds on this. Like I said before, low sounds are detected by this little LED here. Low light. Then, if you actually look down the little photoresistor, when there's a little bit of light, it'll give you a crackling sound. Give you like a crackling fuzz sound, like that. That's partial light. Highlight is like that. And then focused light, or really highlight, the strongest, is that really high pitch kind. And I also, I forgot to tell you. Oh, here's a close-up of the thing because you couldn't see that well. Sorry about that. There's a light right there. You can see all these things. Battery terminals. you have the positive terminal going to the switch. That goes to the photoresistor, that goes back to the negative terminal. But not the negative terminal of the battery, the negative terminal of the circuit board, which is, you have the two terminals right here. Now, anyway, back in you can also use these more than just trying to find what part of the light is best. You can actually also use these in instruments, like laser instruments. If I have brighter light, do I have one lying around? You can actually point it to the light. It'll give you a high-pitched noise, and the closer your hand gets to it, the farther away it will change the tone of it. You gotta make sure you don't entirely block out the light, however.